Hey, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good chocolate Reese's peanut chocolate butter cookies. Very delicious to make, easy to do. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, we're going to start off with 2 sticks and a half a stick of butter. Unsalted, room temperature. There you go. I know it seems like a lot of butter, but won't need it. Okay, we're going 2 cups of flour, or sugar. That's what I meant. And now we're gonna we're gonna want in 2 eggs. Okay, you want it to be creamy like that. And then we're going to add in our 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, and then we want to add in our cocoa powder, 3 to 4 cups. Okay. Next, we're going to add in our 2 cups of flour, teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to have half a cup of peanut butter chocolate chips, Reese's pita pieces. Look at that. They are looking delicious, but they're very hot. Oh God. Zoom down at them. Yeah. Very delicious. You can't hardly see the chocolate. They're in there. That nice, delicious cookie. This is some chocolate cookie with Reese's peanut butter chip cookie. Very delicious, easy to make. Let's take a chance. Let's just take a bite of this. Look at this. Very delicious. Oh yeah. Oh my God, that's good. Oh my God, so dark chocolate. I love the fact that it has that Reese's peanut butter taste to it out of the chips with that dark chocolate taste. Oh my God, it's just so good. Moist. Very moist. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.